Yes.
Miranda. Miranda. Miranda.
Oops,
Can you come hold
I broke another tooth. I guess I should have brushed and flossed them. Oops, I'm thinking if I did, maybe then I would have lost them. At first it was a piece of food stuck between from being chewed. And if you want to know the truth, it started eating at my tooth. Just like a hungry vicious mammal, it ate a hole in my enamel. And like a greedy gopher digger, it made the hole grow even bigger. Oops, I broke another tooth. I guess I should have brushed and flossed them. Oops, I broke another tooth. I wouldn't have lost them. Quite big the hole had finally gotten, and my tooth was really rotten. Anything can make a break, and I had a toothy ache. It happened just the other night, when I went to take a bite. I felt a crunch and heard a crack, and now there's one more tooth I lack. Oops, I broke another tooth. I guess I should have brushed and flossed her. Oops, I'm thinking if I did, maybe then I wouldn't have lost them. I'm thinking that my dentist must have really meant this when he said to brush and floss them. I'm thinking that my dentist must have really meant this when he said to brush and floss them. Oops, I broke another tooth. I guess I should have brushed and flossed them. Oops, I'm thinking if I did, maybe then I wouldn't have lost them. Oops, I broke another tooth. Guess I should have brushed and flossed them. Oops, I'm thinking if I did, maybe then I wouldn't have lost them. Thank you very much.